What is up YouTube? Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers and tech. And for this episode, we're going to review the New Balance 247 V2. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so. We are giving away hyper laces. This really kick-ass hyper lace over here with the Japanese characters, as well as a Nike Legend React sneaker and REMS cleaning solution. How to join? Link down below. Click, subscribe, follow me on Instagram. This is one of the best sneakers, lifestyle sneakers that you can get for under 6,000 pesos here in the Philippines. Why? Three reasons. Number one, it is fresh. And when I say fresh, this is timeless. The design, when it comes to the look and the feel, is something that you can just wear 2 years, 3 years, 4 years down the line. This pack, this 247 V2 comes in multiple colorways, and the design the design language is very simple. You have a monocolor, a very subtle monocolor for the upper, and then you have an accent color for the heel part, as well as the lace tips and the bottom. So this particular model, the one that I have, is in white and in teal. There are other models with darker colors. There's a black one with, or I think it's like a neon yellow accent. There's a black one with a violet accent. There's a gray-white one with an orange accent. So again, different models that are timeless, fresh, and very easy to wear. They're not hype, they're not trendy, and when they say they're not hype, they're not trendy, they are not sneakers that are just fit for one season or one period. They are something that are so versatile, so easy to wear because of that, again, classic and timeless design. With timelessness in mind, we go to the second reason that I have why I feel that this is such a great sneaker. This was built to last. This was built to be durable and at the same time comfortable. Let's talk about the midsole. For the midsole, you have the RevLite, proprietary RevLite foam technology of New Balance. And this one, it's not as cushiony and mushy as the Ultra Boost. It's not as cushiony and, mushy as the Nike React or the hover technology of Under Armour. What this gives is a sturdy, stable, comfortable, and just right kind of cushioning and support for your feet. So this is not the type of sneaker that you would want to wear if you want to walk on clouds or if you want marshmallows on your feet. This is the type of sneaker that you want to wear if you want stability, if you want to feel the ground. Well, not in a bad way, if you know what I'm thinking. If you want, you just want that stable support for your feet, this is the pair that you would want to pick up. Now, don't get me wrong. It's not hard on feet like, your typical TPU material. It gives excellent cushioning. The only thing I'm saying is that it's not marshmallowish soft, which is okay. You know why? Because if I were to compare this to like the Continental 80 of Adidas or the different other sneakers within that price range, this one is far more comfortable because of the RevLite technology, and it is within the same price range. Apart from the midsole, you also have a very breathable mesh upper. That's the thing that you guys see here. There are very small perforations all over the sneaker that extends all the way at the top part of the shoe. So again, it's very breathable. Air will pass through, it won't get warm. Excellent choice, especially during the summertime here in the Philippines. And number three, this sneaker has a pleasant surprise hidden behind it. Because if you flash like a blue light or if you hit it with flash, the stitching that you guys see on the side panel, this entire part over here on the lateral and the medial side has 3M. 3M allows it to glow when hit with flash. So it's a very nice surprise. It's something that I didn't expect when I picked this up. And you know what? Surprises are good. Surprises are delightful. And I just love that they put it here for that extra oomph, that extra, fun points for this pair of sneakers. So for those three things that I mentioned, from that, timeless and fresh design to the durable, stable comfort that it offers, as well as that pleasant surprise of the 3M stitching along the side panels, for me, makes this an excellent pair to cop if you are looking for sporty lifestyle sneakers that you can just wear, for the years to come. Now, granted, this colorway, the white one with the teal accent, probably isn't the best thing to pick if you are looking for a pair to abuse over time. You can get the black ones if you are looking for something that you don't want to clean regularly, but if you are the OC type who would clean like a pair like this more, every other week or every month, then this is probably for you. I just wore this for a day and it's already a bit dirty, so that's the price you pay if you are copying white sneakers. So that's it for this review. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please do make sure that you follow me on Instagram. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell, because we are giving away the Nike Legend React. We are giving away the Hyper Laces that I mentioned earlier. This is the one with the Japanese characters, and man, this would probably look so fire if I were to put this on the New Balance sneaker that I have here. And the REMS cleaning solution. I am picking the winners this coming Friday. 3 winners, one will get the sneaker, one will get the laces, the group bunch of laces, and one will get the REMS cleaning solution. So it is going to be a really cool giveaway. So good luck to all of you who will join it. Again, to be able to join, you need to subscribe, you need to follow me on Instagram, click the link down below because the mechanics are there. That's it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Have a great weekend. Peace. God bless everyone.